This is a 2011 Ford F-150. It has a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, a bed liner, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 33,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
LaForce Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 5878 Highway 1 in Lockport.